Good evening, I'm Andrea Anderson.
And I'm Beth Warden. Brian Allen is off tonight. In 2020, the South Dakota State Legislature allocated funds for appropriate regional facilities, which will serve those experiencing psychiatric crisis.
Watertown has built an entirely new facility to expand their mental health resources even further. Sarah Parkin has our top story tonight.
Human Service Agency in Watertown is preparing to open their appropriate regional facility with open houses this week. And it will not only help those experiencing a psychiatric crisis, but will also serve as a halfway house for men in the community. The purpose of the appropriate regional facility is to allow psychiatric crisis patients the chance to stay closer to home.
The biggest benefit is that we don't have to transport people who are experiencing that psychiatric crisis down to Yankton. That's pretty traumatic to have happen. People have to be cuffed. It's a state statute. They have to ride in a sheriff's vehicle.
And for law enforcement officers, it offers an alternative to taking the patient to a detention center.
So then they get to stay in their community versus, being transported somewhere else. If they're coming here, it's kind of more a little bit homey, and it's not, a big giant facility. They know that it's in Watertown. It's something that's friendly.
Not only will Watertown's new facility offer 4 crisis beds, but it will be adjoined to Serenity Hill's new 16-bed location. The halfway home originally opened in the community in 1997.
Our halfway house, we have 16 beds for men who have a dual diagnosis. So they are able to come here, fill out an application, and then we help them get employed, help them manage their medications, manage their money, and then we transition them back into the community.
Watertown's appropriate regional facility will be one of 4 in the state, and Human Service Agency raised a total of $6 million to provide their community members multiple avenues of help.
It welcomes everybody and treats people with dignity and respect, the way people with disabilities should be treated.
Human Service Agency says they have tentative plans to open the appropriate regional facility on July 5th. In Watertown, Sarah Parkin, Dakota News Now.